I'm gonna start rolling the forwards a little faster. I'll call you guys off the ice. Get to the bench. Uh-oh. Offside. Time to change up Max. Nice pass, Max! Oh, diving shot. Up. Oh, nice backhand. Alice trying to pepper the goalie. Oh! Alex with a big blast. You okay, bud? Matthew, are you playing D? Sit right here. Right at the end. Look around, look around, look around. Pass the puck. Good job. Whoa, Jeff with the dipsy doodle. Get out of the zone. Look around, look for someone to pass to. Nice job. Nice. Oh, nice shot from the point. Yeah, we're playing 1D. Playing 1D.
They have 1D.
Okay, Max, get over here, buddy. We're going 1D. Matthew, get out there.
We're playing 1D.
Matthew.
Now we have one computer. Who's playing forward? We have like. Can I get back on?
What do we got? Alright, you coming back on D? How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Max! Max, come here, buddy! I know. Go up to offense. You're getting promoted to offense or demoted. However you want to look at it.
Why are we playing 5-on-4?
Because they haven't scored a goal, even though we've been playing 5-on-4, so we got to make it fair.
In Skull Hall, we didn't, and it was like.
It's just a scrimmage. iron.
No goal?
No goal. Oh, Jeff, over the net.
No, I think it.
Hey guys, when you're shooting from the point, keep it low. Keep it low. You're likely to get a tip. It'll go off a skate or a stick. Nice pass by Jeff. Oh, Ethan almost buries it in the corner. Oh, what a backhand scoop. Change. Oh, almost puts it home. Go with him, Ian. Go with him. Ooh. All right, check. Oh, here we go. Oh, Ellis playing bumper cars in front of the net. He gets it. Oh, he scores. Excellent effort by Ellis. Skid shift for everyone. Yeah, that went in. You scored. Oh, Max with a good change of direction. Can't get the pass through. Oh, but he gets the puck. Oh, good effort by Max. Good back check by Jeff. Good job. Here goes Jeff. Uh-oh. Get to the front of the net. Get to the front. Oh, Max saves a goal.
Are the Minnesotan kids here?
No.
Oh.
They'll be here Thursday.
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh! Then we need to change. Can you ask him out?
Oh, good job pinching him off.
Oh, off.
Yep. Who's our D?
Here.
Oh, nice job. Did you see that? He pinched him off. Bumped him off the puck.
Yes? Yeah, Jeff. Yes? A D. No?
Oh! Alex at the buzzer.